My dear friends, my dear masters, and my dear gods. Again, we start our meditation. Every day is for meditation. Meditation keeps us fit and energetic and intelligent. कृपया कोई भी आंखें न खोलें, आंखें बंद कर लेंगे और सांसों के साथ एक हो जाएंगे. Let us become one with our breath. ಕಣ್ಣು ಎರಡು ಮುಚ್ಚಿಕೊಂಡು ಕೈಗಾದೆರಡು ಜೋಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಶ್ವಾಸದ ಜೊತೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಮಿತ್ರರೇ. The way to do meditation is very, very simple. Sit in a relaxed position. Sit on the floor or take a chair and sit. Sit in a sofa. Take the support of the wall. Make your body as comfortable as possible. And then hands into hands, fingers into fingers. Closing the eyes and becoming one with the breath. The incoming breath and the outgoing breath. The outgoing breath and the incoming breath. Just becoming aware of the breath. The whole job is to become aware of the breath, breathing process. We are not to breathe. The body is breathing. And we have to observe, witness, be sakshi, be a witness to the body's breathing. We should not interfere with the breathing process of the body. We are to be a grand witness. So in meditation, we begin with the witnessing of the breath. Ultimately, we become a witness to the whole creation. Whole life process. We don't judge anything. We don't complain of any situation. We become witness to every situation. Cool, calm, neutral witness. So that witnessing process begins from the basic thing, witnessing your own breath. This has been the great discovery of great Gautam Buddha. Before that also many people discovered, but every time everybody has to discover for himself or herself. We all discover about meditation by doing meditation. When we discover meditation, we discover the greatness of meditation. When we discover the greatness of meditation, our lives become dedicated to meditation. When our whole lives are dedicated to meditation, we have become Buddhas ourselves. The beginning of meditation is becoming witness to the breathing process of the body. We are not to indulge in breathing in, breathing out. We have to remove ourselves from the action. And we have to put ourselves in the place of witness. We are not doing the breathing. The body is doing the breathing. That is the basic understanding with which you begin your meditation. Now you don't interfere with the body's process. You don't interfere with the body's intentions. You don't interfere with the body processes. You are just a witness to them. You cultivate witness consciousness in meditation. Witnessing your own existence, witnessing your own self, your own personality, your own breath, your own body. Whole drama of life you witness. Whole evolution of life, you become a witness to it. When you become a witness to anything, you become a knower. A knower is called a gnani. Through this dhyana, you become a gnani. Right from childhood, everybody should start meditation. Right from the age of 5. It is the duty of the parents and the elders to make meditation available to all the children. Children are not children, they are old souls in young bodies. The soul is always ancient. Sanatana, Puratana. The bodies are minted freshly every lifetime, but the soul is ancient. These ancient souls in young bodies, they immediately catch meditation. When you teach them, they recognize meditation instantly. The whole 8 billion souls on the earth planet should become Buddhas. Everybody should practice Anapanasati meditation. Ana means inhalation. Apana means exhalation. Sati means to be with. Anapanasati has been rediscovered by every Buddha. Every soul rediscovers Anapanasati every lifetime. When the soul focuses on discovery of the truth. Let us start our meditation. Become one with your normal, natural breath, my dear friends. Become one with your normal, natural, easy, soft, simple, tender, peaceful, tranquil breath. Your breath is your guru in the art and science of the practice of meditation. Your guru is always with you. Now it is your duty to be with your guru. My breath is my guru, your breath is your guru. And you must become Guru Putra, Breath Putra, Vayu Putra, Pavana Putra. Eight billion souls on the earth planet should become Pavan Putras. It is our responsibility to see that the art and science of Anapanasati meditation goes to every soul, reaches every soul, and awakens every soul. into their own grandeur, their own Buddhahood. As Swamiji said, fasting is very, very important. Lankanam Parama Aushadham. There are 3 types of lankanas. One is not eating, another lankanam is not speaking, another is not thinking. Not eating is upavasam, fasting. Not speaking is maunam. Not thinking is dhyanam. So, if upavasam is very good, maunam is better. If maunam is better, dhyanam is best. That is the best lankanam. The great principle in India is lankanam paramaushadam. Param means ultimate. Aushadam, medicine. If any problem there in the physical body, immediately fasting should be done. Mahatma Gandhiji used to fast 1 day for a week. And Maunam also. And we don't do that. That's why we are not Mahatmas. With Dhyanam, you become Paramatma. Dhyanam is ultimate Lankanam. No thinking at all. Chumma iru. Without any thinking, without any analysis of the human situations. Swamiji, meditation is an integral part of nature cure. Meditation means back to the nature of the soul. Body has got a root, mind has got a root, and soul has got a root. Body's root is mind, mind's root is soul. So when you go to the soul's root, you have got to the body's root and also the mind's root. If you catch hold of the Prime Minister, you have caught hold of the Chief Minister and also all the collectors. So the Prime Minister is the soul. So in meditation, you go to the source of the soul, very source of the soul. Meditation is the most important nature cure process. The nature cures you. Your nature cures you. There is no other medicine. See, in nature cure, there are so many things are there, like big Himalayas. How many mountains are there in Himalayas? So many. So in nature cure, so many methods are there. But in Himalayas, the highest is Everest. Meditation, Anapanasati is Everest. Your Himalayas, your nature cure should include Mount Everest. Anapanasati. Mud bath, water bath, sun bath, leaf bath, all these baths are very, very important, Swamiji. Back to nature. That is the principle. So fasting is very, very important. Remember this point. In the year 1996, Swamiji, I did not open my mouth for 1 full year. I gained so much energy because of my fasting. Lankanam, no talking at all. Avatar Mehat Baba did not speak for 45 years. He never opened his mouth. What a great Lankanam is it. And Ramana Maharshi never used to think. He always used to say, find out who you are. That's all. For any problem, find out who you are. That is the remedy for the problems. Human thinking is very, very futile. Ramana Maharshi said, no more human thinking. Find out who you are, first of all. You are that. Tattvamasi Shvetaketo. Where is the question of thinking? Petty thinking, useless thinking. Why we are thinking unnecessarily? Chumma iru. Without thinking, without analysis. That is meditation. That is Lankanam, Parama Lankanam. Dhyanam is Parama Lankanam, Parama Aushadam. I wanted the whole world to know about Lankanam from your mouth. That's why I asked you to come here, Swamiji. Thank you. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು PMC ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, and give your experiences for PMC. Record your experiences so that the whole world will know your experiences.